Okay, so on Wednesdays, we are to identify our types of clauses. And some of these things are not specific because I wanted to see what you're looking for or what you knew. So we're going to go over these just to clarify for you. So first, we're talking about clauses. A clause is parts of a sentence. So is it an independent clause or a dependent clause? Independent clauses are sentences that can stand alone. They're complete sentences. Dependent clauses are sentence fragments. They cannot stand alone. Okay? So when we look at our sentence, my sweater is under my lanky legs, that is actually just one idea. It is one complete sentence. So for clauses, we're just going to write the number one. Then we're going to go to type of clause. So is this an independent clause? Can it stand by itself? Or is it a dependent clause? Well, if it has a subject and a predicate, this means it is a single sentence, not a fragment, it is an independent clause. Then we go to sentence type. Is this simple, compound, complex? Well, we know from your daily language review that this is just one subject, one predicate, one idea. It is a simple sentence. And then what is its purpose? Is it exclamatory, showing excitement? Is it declarative, just a regular sentence? Is it interrogative, a question? In this case, it is just a simple sentence, so it is declarative. The difference between declarative and imperative is that imperative is demanding you to do something. Declarative is just one simple sentence that is stating something. So therefore, this is a declarative sentence.